Welcome to the nursing tricks. Basics are the basics and you can't skip the basics. We have to discuss about IV cannulation. We have to discuss about definition, indication, articles and steps of the procedure. First of all, we have the definition is IV cannulation is a technique in which cannula is placed inside a vein to provide venous access. Venous access allows sampling of blood as well as administration of fluids, medication, parenteral nutrition, chemotherapy, and blood products. Cannula is also known as vein flaunch. It's different colors and sizes of the tubes. We move to indication. First is venous access allows sampling of blood. Second is to administration of intravenous fluids. Third is to injection medications. Fourth is to substitute parenteral nutrition. And fifth is to infuse chemotherapy drugs and blood products. Articles required: alcohol cleanser to use hand rub, prevent cross infection. Second is gloves to used as a PPE. And third is alcohol wipe to clean the site of insertion. Fourth is a disposable tourniquet to maintain the patency of vein. Fifth is an IV cannula to introduce a fluid. Sixth is a suitable plaster to secure the cannula to the site, and syringe to flush the cannula, and saline to flush the tube, a isotonic agent. Next is steps of procedure. Arrange the article, explain the procedure. Second is hand washing. Use alcohol rub sanitizer. Third is put gloves. Clean the patient's skin with alcohol wipe from site of insertion to periphery to let it dry. Remove the cannula from its packaging and remove the needle cover, ensuring not to touch the needle. Insert the needle bevel upwards at about 30 degrees. Release the tourniquet, apply pressure to the vein at the tip of the cannula and remove the needle. Remove the cap from the needle and put this end of the cannula. Discard as per biomedical waste technique and required to document the procedure.
Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.